Welcome back to Checking Out with MFG. We just checked into the Hilton at Boston Logan International Airport. We got a standard king room. There's plenty of space. King size bed. A sitting area. A desk with coffee station. Flat screen TV. Complimentary water and ice. The room is equipped with a personal sized fridge, more water inside. There's a full length mirror. Hi. There is a closet that looks pretty small. However, it has a ton of space, plenty of hangers, an iron and an ironing board in there. Pretty standard bathroom in here. Looks like a marble countertop. Big mirror. High, but has excellent lighting in the mirror. Standard tub shower combo. And it has the amenities inside the shower. Highlight of this room is you have an amazing view of the Boston skyline. And I'm sure from a higher level room, it would be even better, and you get a great view of the airport. Overall, the rooms here at the Hilton in Boston Logan are very clean and well appointed. And for the price, it's pretty good. I think it's around $200 a night or less, depending on when you're staying. Compared to other places in Boston, it's pretty affordable. I would highly recommend staying here if you have a really early flight and you're looking to get to the airport without major travel in the morning.
If you enjoy my content, please give me a like and subscribe now.